Okay, today I went to Costco and I picked up this solar light, post accent light, and we have a little stairway here on the outside that needs some lighting, especially at night. So I'm gonna put them on, I think I'm gonna put, one here, one there, and then a couple up on the rail right there. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory on how to install these. They were packaged well, and just gotta take the plastic off. And you can see the screws on the back. So you just have to do some measurement on how to do that. And then they're solar. Even though we live in the Northwest, I'm hoping it's still gonna have some light. And so there's a battery inside as well. I understand from the instructions. You can see there's a battery. So let's unwrap it and get them installed and see what it looks like. So how that battery part works is that these just pop off, and you can see you have access to it here. You gotta pull it out, and I don't know if it already has a battery or not, but we'll open it up and see. Yes, it does come with a battery, and it's already charged, and so I noticed the lights came on when I put it in a little dark area. So again, let's put them on, install them, and see what they look like. So just a quick look, I can put my hand over the solar and you can see it light up. So let's go somewhere a little darker over here into this room I have. I haven't turned on the lights in my garage, but I have this little storage area here. So let's see what it looks like. See, there you go, it's lighting up. So on a post, it'll give us a little bit of light. These are only like $24.99 at Costco. So I'll also put a link to Amazon, which is probably a pretty competitive price below. But let's get them installed and see how they look. The color is really nice because it actually goes with the rest of our house. We have a lot of this bronze, this oil rub bronze. And so that's what the color looks like. Okay, so they're installed. 1, 2. I can maybe get another one for there later, and maybe that one. So 3, 4, these came in a 4-pack, so this is why I put them in this fashion. So we'll see how much light it gives us, and if we need to add some more right here, we will. But again, let's come back when it's dark and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the final product. You can see they give off pretty decent light. Come down here, it's raining real bad today. And yeah, so that's pretty good. Better than I expected, to be honest with you. So it gives a little bit of light here. Hopefully we'll get some sun in the next couple of days and light up a little better. You can see like there's a little space in between there. So again, I'll put a link down below. But again, you can get these at Costco too. So that's where I got them. Yeah, there you go. That's the 4-pack of the solar post lights. All right, please subscribe as always and ask any questions in the comments below.